Hello, welcome back to Video Wizard. And how do you remove a black background in Premiere Pro? Wait here, I'm going to show you how to, okay? So I've got a video with a black background, drag and drop that into timeline. First thing you want to do is press this little spanner icon here, okay? And you want to click transparency grid, okay? So that it's checked. You can't see anything at the moment because funnily enough, there's a black background on this video. So what do we do now? We head up into effects and we type in Luma key. Okay, Luma key, that's what it is, and we drag and drop that onto the video. Okay, and as you can see, it's got rid of the black background, but also most of our video as well. So that is because the threshold is at 100%. So head up into effect controls where I am now, and move that all the way down to 0, and just slowly work your way up until you're happy with it. Okay, so I'm going to say 7% I'm happy with. And of course you can see the grid now, and you can see the leaf. And do you know why that is? Because the background's gone. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.